Look at this beauty, the chalk eye steak. Not a ribeye, not a fillet, but what I call the poor man's ribeye. Same section of the cow, same marbling, half the price. In fact, I paid $11 for both of them, and I'm going to cook one. So today, I'm showing you how to make it taste like a steakhouse masterpiece. Butter-basted, garlicky, and ridiculously juicy. Let's create. And all you need is salt, pepper, which I mix here with a little bit of hot chili pepper, and some lime zest. Also, you're going to need a little bit of oil. I'm going avocado. And that practically it. The flavor is already in the meat. We're just waking it up, okay? We're going to wake those flavors up. Be generous here. Don't just dust it, okay? Just be generous. This steak wants that crust. You're going to do this in both sides. And then you let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes so it can come to room temperature. And that what it's going to do is going to help cook evenly and get that perfect crust, okay? Rule number 1, hot pan. You want it ripping hot before the steak even thinks about touching it. Once the oil shimmers, let that steak down. Listen to that. That's the sound of my music. Yes, sir, the sound of my music. And you're going to let it cook for about 2, maybe 3 minutes on one side, okay? About 3 minutes. Okay? Time for the magic. Now flip it. Couple tablespoons of butter. Sorry about the smoke, like the pepper. 2 or 3 crushed garlic. Thyme. And I'm going to put, rosemary. And I'm going to put some thyme too. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the pan and I'm going to start basting over and over and over. I'm going to let the garlic and the herb infuse the steak. This is the moment here when the kitchen starts to smell like a steak house. Let it rest for about 5 to 7 minutes. Perfect medium rare, juicy, tender, buttery. And this is not even a ribeye. It is just a chalk eye steak. $10 says you couldn't distinguish this from a ribeye in a blind taste test. This is how good it tastes. Now, if you like bold flavors and real cooking, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe because I have more for you.